Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a YouTube video into a short. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like these. First, open your YouTube Studio app. Now tap on the video you want to work with and open the video. Once it opens, tap on the remix option. After that, you will get to see multiple options. From here, just tap on Edit into a short. Now on the next page, just select which part of the video you want to use as a short. You can drag through and select which 15 seconds of the video you want to use. You can also make it shorter than 15 seconds if you want, but you cannot make it longer. So once you're done selecting, just tap on Next. Now, as you can see, the short from your video has been created. Now just edit it as you want. You can add filters or text and even voiceovers. And once you're done editing, just tap on Next and then just upload your short. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to get notified for new videos. We're dropping new videos every day to help all of you.